Building dynamic web pages and have an EJ template file. This is an embedded JavaScript template for server-side rendering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these embedded JavaScript template files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the EJ error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A developer is the primary user for an EJ file, which is an embedded JavaScript EJS template. They are trying to create dynamic HTML content by embedding JavaScript code directly within a markup file. This allows for server-side rendering of variables, loops, and conditional logic into a final HTML page. The file is a plain text document that combines standard HTML markup with special EJS tags, e.g., %@%, %%. This design allows web developers to work in a familiar HTML-like environment while injecting server-side logic. The EJS engine parses this text, executes the JavaScript, and outputs a pure HTML string. When viewing the file metadata, the EJ shows a direct link to EJS embedded JavaScript from Matthew Aranis, open source. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows may show the code clearly, yet proper execution requires compatible development tools. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the EJ file and choose Open With. Use EJS embedded JavaScript first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If you still can't open the EJ file, it's okay. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in Code Editor. Open the EJ file in VS Code WebStorm or Sublime Text for editing. Install EJS or embedded JavaScript syntax extensions for proper highlighting of template tags. The editor displays HTML and JavaScript portions, clearly enabling efficient template development and debugging. Next, rendering with EJS. Install EJS via npm install EJS and use it in your Node.js application. Load the template file and render with data using EJS.renderFile method. The engine processes the template, producing HTML output ready for browser display or further processing. Finally, integrating with Express. Use EJ templates in Express.js applications by configuring the template engine with app.setViewEngine EJS. Place template files in the views directory, and render with resys.render in root handlers. This standard pattern powers many Node.js web applications using EJS templating. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.